In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly utilize Google and Great Notion's support services to enhance your productivity and manage your tasks more efficiently. So, let's dive right in. First, we're going to start by searching for Notion on your preferred web browser. Open up your browser and head over to the search bar. Type in Notion and hit enter. This is our starting point. Notion is a powerful tool that can be integrated with various productivity services to streamline your workflow. Once you've got the search results in front of you, click on the official Notion website. It should usually be at the top of the search results. Just click on the link to navigate to Notion's homepage. From here, the process is pretty straightforward. Next, you'll want to log into your account if you haven't already. Locate the Log In button on the top right corner of the Notion website and give it a click. If you're a new user, you'll need to sign up, but let's assume you already have an account. Enter your credentials to gain access to your workspace. Now that you're logged in, it's time to start working on your project. Look for the Add New option within your workspace. Clicking this will allow you to start building out your task management or any project you specifically have in mind. This is where the magic starts happening, as you can start customizing pages to suit your specific needs. We'll be focusing on client management today. So in Notion, go to the search option and type in Clients Management. Notion has a lot of templates and sections dedicated to different types of workflow management. Searching for Clients Management will allow you to see all the relevant tools and templates that Notion offers to help you manage your clients more effectively. Once you've done your search, you'll want to click on the Account Management template or section that appears in the results. This section has predefined structures and functionalities that are highly beneficial for managing client information and tasks efficiently. After reviewing the details and determining that this is the right template for your needs, click on Continue. This will add the selected management tool to your workspace, allowing you to start customizing it to fit your specific requirements. Finally, once you have everything set up and formatted according to your preferences, you'll want to click on Done. This concludes the setup process, and now you're fully equipped to manage client relations within your Notion workspace. And there you have it. You've now learned how to use Google and Great Notion support services effectively to enhance your client management operations. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you in organizing your tasks more efficiently. Happy working!